Welcome to the informative Motorola Defy, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first launch the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume button. Now just to change the ringtone volume, you should swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, you can do it by the second way, just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. Then just click here on the settings icon, and by the same way swipe to the right or to the left side this volume panel, then just click here to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.